Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to read out some examples, very easy examples, which will help you understand how to create a paragraph using linking words. So get inspired by these examples, listen and try to create your own ideas. Choose the words wisely and put them in your paragraphs. So these are the examples of linking words. Example number 1, we are using in addition and also furthermore in addition to. How to use these words in sentences. In addition and also furthermore in addition to. It means when you want to add one idea with one statement, then you're going to use these words. How to use them? Let's get started. What's more, both, these are all the examples, the words which I'm going to use in the first example. So let's read it. Let's read it out. I am going to the movies, and after that, I think I will go for dinner. I am going to the movies, and after that, I think I will go for dinner. The next sentence. I will cook food for you while you are away. I will cook food for you while you are away. It means in Hindi, I will cook जब तुम नहीं रहोगे घर में, then I will cook for you. I will cook vegetables and rice. I will cook vegetables and rice. Both will be in the fridge. So just heat them in the micro oven. The third example. I need some vegetables and rice from the market. If you are going today, also, if you could get brown bread, I would appreciate it. The next sentence. Did you hear what mother said? Did you hear what mother said? She told me she wanted me home soon, and as well. She wanted me home soon and as well as help her in cooking. What does it mean? That mother wanted me to come home early and also that she wanted me to help her in the kitchen or in cooking. Again, I'm reading it out. Did you hear what mother said? She told me she wanted me home soon and as well as help her in the kitchen in cooking. Now, this is a formal statement where when people work in an office, people speak like this. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to tell you about our company's performance last year. And furthermore, I will set out a plan for the next year. Much more formal as this is. Your performance this year has been good. You achieved all your targets. And what is more, you attracted many new clients. This is also formal English. And now let's read the next sentence. Come on in, everybody. We have great bargains in our shop today. We have a 20% reduction in all our main products. And in addition to, And in addition to that, we will give an extra 5% off when you spend over 1,000. The next example. This is based on the uses of contrast. It means despite, although, in spite of, however, whereas, and even though. Let's read. The weather forecast is to be sunny today. The weather forecast is to be sunny today, but the temperature is not likely to rise above 10 degrees Celsius. The second sentence. I would like to go to the gym. I would like to go to the gym later, although I don't think I have time, as I think I want to study for my exams. The next sentence. It was really cold on Saturday. In spite of this, we went out for a walk in the park and enjoyed it. All these words, in spite of, despite means ke bawajood in Hindi. Despite my objections, my brother went out with his friends. मतलब मना करने के बाद भी वो क्या किया, वो चला गया. Despite my objections, my brother went out with his friends instead of studying for exams. I went to the park while my sister stayed at home and cooked the evening meal. Means I went to the park while my sister stayed at home and cooked the evening meal. Her friend is good at studies, whereas in Hindi means jabki. Her friend is good at studies, whereas her brother is dull and unsmart. We are comparing. The next sentence. My friend insisted on going. Sorry. My friend insisted. It means उसने आग्रह करा, उसने जिद की. My friend insisted on going on holiday with us, even though he had no job and no money. Means वो insist कर रहा था holiday में जाने के लिए, बावजूद इसके कि उसके पास ना जॉब था और ना पैसे. जॉब नहीं है, पैसे नहीं है, फिर भी even though he wanted to go on a holiday with us. The next sentence. I can see the benefits of cycling. I can see the benefits of cycling. Cycling to work every day. I can see the benefits of cycling to work every day. However, on the other hand, there are not many cycle lanes in my city, so it can be dangerous. On the other hand, का मतलब है cycling is good for health, लेकिन cycling lanes हमारे सिटी में नहीं है, इसलिए cycling can be dangerous. Take this again. I can see the benefits of cycling to work every day. However, on the other hand, there are not many lanes in my city, so it can be dangerous. Number 3, example. Number 3. Some examples of linking words based on giving examples. For instance, namely, let's read. Now, here is what we tell you to write in your exams. I would like you to write an essay about your family. For example, you could tell me about your parents and siblings or grandparents. When you are writing your essays, make sure you use plenty of adjectives to describe your feelings and what you see. For instance, when describing your feelings and what you see, for instance, when describing the cat, tell me about its color, size, and age. The expenses this year are almost twice the level of last year. Everything has increased by some expenses, namely rents and energy have crossed dramatically. And then there are some examples of cause and effect. Therefore, so, consequently, as a result, let's make it easy for you. I am sorry to tell you, I am sick today and therefore I will not be at work today. Just leaving a message to say that I am late for work today, so I won't be able to pick you up at the usual time. The cost of iron and steel has increased dramatically. Consequently, we will need to increase our price to our customers immediately. The plumber cannot come today to fix the toilet. This means that we will not have to use the bathroom. My team lost the last game. My team lost the last game of the season. As a result, they didn't win the title of this year. And now the below, we'll read some examples of linking words based on cause, reason, due to the fact, owing to, because of, since. The first sentence. Due to the fact that it is the 1st May today, we will not have any work. Everyone is off work today. Second sentence. Owing to the death of my grandmother, I will have to leave the office early and travel to her funeral. I decided to go to the cinema with my friends. So because of this, I won't be home until later tonight. Since it is my birthday tomorrow, I would like to invite you all to the party at my house. We unfortunately had to leave early as my mother was ill and we had to rush home. So these were the examples of some linking words. Now the task for you is, as per the sentences given, you make your own sentences. That is the best way to learn. That is the best way to improve. And in this English language lab, English writing lab, you just need to read the sentences, listen to the video till the end, and try to make your own sentences. No, that is if you really want to improve. The choice is yours, whether you want to be a mediocre or you want to be good at English. That's all for today. Take care and keep learning.